Next, I'm going to show you how to make a sushi roll. What I have here is the seaweed sheet. This is called a half sheet. Normally the full sheet is about twice the size. Depending on what you like as far as rice goes, but to me, 4 ounces is the appropriate size for a sushi roll. Actually, I'm going to show you again in detail how I do it. I mean, many sushi chefs have different techniques, but me, I like to make this rice ball like this and put it right in the middle and pull it apart until it reaches the edge, and then press it forward with your thumb and pull it backward with your fingers until all the surface are covered with rice. Like this. Sprinkle them with some sesame. Flip them over. I'm going to do a California roll now. It has a crab stick, cucumber, and some avocado. The key to this is try to keep everything kind of closer to you, so when you roll it over, it will be easy for the roll to close. You use all your fingers, press all the filling toward you, and with your thumb you flip the seaweed over. The key thing is make sure you leave the space right here so it can seal when you flip it over. That. Using the bamboo mat, press it down and the end. You cut the roll in half first. Flip them over. Cut in half again. Again and again in half. There you have 8 even pieces. Now I'm going to show you how to make a roll with a topping, with a fish on the top. It's a little bit more challenging, but it's a fun thing to do. I'm going to do a rainbow roll. Again, it has all the ingredients that the California roll has. On top, lay the fish. Use a bamboo mat to mold it. The only difference with this roll and the one I just made earlier is that you need to have a plastic wrap to cover it while you're cutting it up. Because during the cutting process, the knife can easily peel the topping off. Again, you cut them in half. Same here. In half. I'm going to show you the technique of how to place the sushi. You just let the sushi piece stand like this and turn it at 45 degrees. And then you line them the next beat the same way and the same way. There you have it.